I said I wasn't gonna do it, but I'm gonna do it. Just get over the damn noise. I don't particularly care for our new AC. That's how hot it is. I'm thinking about sitting in that damn AC. It's pretty much, you would just see my ass the entire time. So I don't care. Cover your butt. It's my car. I'll do what I want. You're gonna see me have a damn heat stroke from doing this. So change the whole magnet, ratchet, and socket. I'm gonna grab a little towel. I'm gonna grab a little claw. Yep, let's go. So if you're in the field, coming out Lube Tech or just starting out, listen to what I got to say, okay? All right, I don't care what no one tells you, what they say, what they want you to do. If you pull this drain plug out, you don't do shit else until you put this son of a gun back in there and tighten it. And if you start it, you better tighten it. Don't do nothing else. Nada. If I had a better bucket, I could hit both at the same time. But, you know, be what it be is what it is. Yep. And I prefer keeping everything organized right there. Got my drain plug, my socket, my filter. All right, I have all that stuff already organized, ready to go. If you're working flat rate and oil changes pay 0.3, 0.5, whatever, you know, whatever it pays you to oil change or rotate, you are trying to knock this out as efficient as possible. All right, so I'll brake for free. I'm gonna put the tool back up. Put my 17 back on. Yep, so she's about ready. Like I said, I'm not gonna run the risk. I don't feel like cleaning any more stuff today. I'm good with that. That crush washer will be okay this time. All right, so now I'm gonna move this back over here. Like I said, you don't do nothing until you tighten this back up. If you start her, you put her in. And I'm not gonna sit here and crank on her. I'm just gonna give her a little click. Yeah. Back, back. Okay. I can drop this down here a little bit. So usually what I'll do, if I had a big enough tray, what I would do is I would drop both of these, have them draining, and at that point, I'm gonna start working on either the tire pressure, the rotation, whatever else I gotta do, finish my inspection, because there's no reason for me to sit here and watch the oil drain unless I'm making a video for you guys. All right, a little trick. I don't like getting oil on my tools and stuff. I'm gonna get her. Malfunction. So now we're going to do this shit one-handed. Yeah. So look, we're gonna see, make sure we don't have anything. We don't have our gasket on there. And bear with me because my damn mic fell out my shirt. So I'm gonna clean up all this, make sure the old gasket is right there. I'm happy with that. All right. Remember, just start her by hand. Oh. There we go. And then, just to make some of y'all happy, I don't really do that. I don't lube up my filters because I don't crank on them. Just by hand, all right? And good, yep. And also, guys, like I said before, take pride in what you do. When you get done changing that oil and the customer just happens to look up under there and see the new filter all clean and pretty. Makes a huge difference. Take pride in your work. So real quick, the way that I do tires, I'm gonna take all 4 of them off. I'm gonna line them all up. I'm gonna let all the air by pulling the valve core out of all 4 tires. I'm gonna start pulling the wheel weights off, all 4 of them, all the wheel weights. Do not balance tires with old wheel weights. Don't be that guy. Tires pay at 1.2. You can knock out a set of tires in 30 minutes. So wherever I start is where I'm gonna finish at, right? So I started here, I go like this, and when I get done, I'm gonna come back around, right? That's one of those other tricks to cover your right there. All right. Long way. All right. You're gonna hear a hell of a ton of fan noise, but whatever. These don't go on the ground or on the machine. Come with me. Number 2. It's made for it. So in all reality, that's not how I would do a customer's car. This is my personal vehicle. 100 foot-pound Matco torque stick, Milwaukee, whatever that thing is, on setting 2, Matco flip socket. This thing is designed for that. But on a customer's car, I would definitely start them all by hand, center the rim, and then boop, 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 lower down, break out the torque wrench, pop, 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 pop. But my car, my rules, I paid for it. So you remember how I said about putting your oil cap on top of your hood latch so you don't forget to put oil in it? If I didn't do that, guess what I would have just done? Whatever you touch, make sure you just touch it again. Make sure everything is nice and tight the way it's supposed to be. Everything's clear, cool. So another thing that I forgot while trying to get everything ready to get out of here, and oh, busy. Another thing that is super overlooked is wiper blades, and y'all might take it for granted, the customer or DIY, and be like, why does it cost so much? Well, if you try to buy a set of Mercedes wiper blades, they're $100, and you can't buy them from the parts store that I know of. I didn't even try, but wiper blades, give them a splash when you pull in the car in, and see if they streak and make the noise. And a lot of times that people don't know about, if you grab you a nice little rag, come with me. I don't know if we're going to do this, but we'll make it figure it out. Let's see. Boom, boom. If you're getting streaking and noises and all that kind of stuff, they might not be actually worn out. My windshield is dirty as all get out, right? Well, so is my wiper blade itself. So take your rag, get you a little bit of glass cleaner or washer fluid, and soak it on there, and literally just knock all that stuff off of there. And if you look, that's what I just pulled off right there. Replace me. I'm going to replace them. But yeah. Wiper blade, protector off of there. Remember my car, don't set shit on customers' cars. Alright. Boom. Boom. That's how it should be. But some manufacturers decided they had to reinvent the damn wheel and make OEM only wiper blades, or let's change the design of the blade so the person can't buy it at the damn parts store when he needs one. You want that click on there? Get in there, boy. Alright. Click. Boom, boom. Now there you have it, guys. Very quick rundown on a quick vehicle inspection. Like I said, I already knew of a lot of the issues, especially those tires. The tires have been sitting there for like 4 months now. Just haven't had time to work on my own car. But you know, tires have been replaced, balanced. The oil got changed, the blades got changed, engine air filter got changed. The suspension stuff, I'm not really sweating it right now. The wheels ain't going to fall off, so I'm happy with that. Remember, if you're working on a customer's car, to make sure that you start your lug nuts by hand, use a torque wrench, follow procedures and stuff, cover your butt. It's my car, I'll do what I want. Definitely going to do spark plugs. Going to address that belt for sure. Probably will do the sway bar and links, and definitely that valve cover gasket. I just don't know when I'm going to do it. But like I said, it's not pouring, it's not leaking, it's not like I'm okay. I am confident I'll be all right. And of course, going on a trip, I am going to take some tools with me. I have to work on another car Monday, so I'll have tools anyway. I definitely have a scanner with me. You know, all the precautions, right? You know, it's only 4.5 hours, something like that, so it's not that big of a deal. I've driven this car to Indiana and shit, Tennessee. No, I don't remember, guys. It's been a long day. I'm ready to go home. I appreciate it. Keep it going, guys. Take it easy. Duck signing out. Comment, like, subscribe. We'll keep on going, guys. Hey, yo. See you at ASTA. Cheers.